I made $700 in one day from my faceless YouTube automation system, where I only use free AI tools. In this video, I'm going to break down my process step by step so you can set up something similar. It's so simple that you can do this as a complete beginner with zero skills and zero experience. Step 1. Choose a niche. You need to start by choosing a niche, which is just the topic your videos will cover. This choice is important because it determines who watches your content and how much you can earn down the line. I'm giving you 3 options that are perfect for beginners since they have a good audience, but aren't so packed with creators that you can't get noticed. The first option is celebrity news. This means focusing on gossip, scandals, or viral moments. People are drawn to this because it's juicy and keeps them hooked with fresh drama. The second option is WNBA highlights. This involves game recaps, player drama, or big plays. It's less crowded than other sports niches, giving you a better chance to stand out. The third option is top 10 TV show moments. This covers popular shows like Shark Tank, America's Got Talent, or Storage Wars. These videos stick around longer because fans keep coming back to them. Before you decide, you have to confirm the niche is worth your effort. Head over to YouTube and type your niche into the search bar. For example, WNBA highlights. Click the filter button at the top of the page. Select Sort by View Count from the drop-down menu, then choose Last Month to see recent videos. Scroll through the results and look for channels with videos that have at least 100,000 views in the past 30 days. If you find a few channels hitting that mark, it shows there's an active audience waiting. I'd go with a niche that feels doable for you, something you can stick with, because that keeps it manageable as you start out. Step 2. Research video ideas. You can't come up with viral video ideas out of thin air. You're going to look at what's already working and use that as your guide. You'll need a tool called vidIQ, which has a free version that's all you need for now. Go to their website. Open your browser and go to vidiq.com. Click on Sign Up for free and sign up with your details. Now, go to the Competitors tab and add 3 to 5 channels that are doing well in your niche. For our example, we'll look up WNBA highlights on YouTube. Take a look at the channels that come up, then copy and paste their channel URLs into vidIQ. Next, you're going to analyze what's performing well. Inside vidIQ, stay in the Competitors tab. Set the filters to Views in this week. Look through the videos that show up. You're searching for titles with at least 50,000 views and 1,000 views per hour. Here's a video I found that's doing well in the WNBA niche. You're not going to copy it word for word. Instead, you'll reframe it slightly. For example, I could make a video called The Most Ruthless Feud in the WNBA, which will be about Caitlin Clark and Angel Reese. This is about finding a pattern or topic that works and adapting it so you can ride the same wave. Step 3. Write the script. We're going to use Grok for this. Sign up for an account if you don't have one already. Now, give a prompt like this. Swap out the title and topic for your own video idea. Hit enter, and Grok will generate a full script for you. Copy that text and paste it into a document, like Google Docs, so you can work with it. Read through every line carefully. You're making sure it sounds relaxed and easy to follow, like a conversation with a friend. If something feels off, like a sentence that's too wordy, rewrite it to be shorter and clearer. This script is what holds your video together, so it's worth getting right. Step 4. Create the audio. I recommend using 11 Labs for this. It's free and it sounds ridiculously human. Log into 11 Labs. Click on Voices, then Library. Now, filter through the options to find a voice that will suit your niche. I'll click on the Entertainment and TV tab and filter for an English-American accent. Listen to a few of the options by clicking on the play button. I like Allison. Once you've chosen your voice, click on Add and then on Use. Now, copy and paste your script into this text box here. I'll adjust the speed to 1.1 to make it more energetic. Click the Generate button and it'll create an audio file. And if you're happy, go ahead and download it. Step 5. Edit the video. You have 2 options here depending on what you want to do. The first is hiring someone on Fiverr or Upwork. Sign up for either platform, like Fiverr. Then, Search for YouTube video editors. Take a look at the different options. You can set your budget between $15 to $20. Look for freelancers who have a lot of good reviews. Once you've found a few freelancers you like the look of, send them a message with your script and audio file and tell them that you want them to create a fast-paced video in your niche using royalty-free stock footage or AI images with subtle background music. Look through the people who respond, pick one with good ratings, and send them your files. They'll send back a finished video in a couple of days. The second option is doing it yourself with CapCut, which is free. Once you've set up CapCut, start a new project. Drag in your audio file. Now look for clips. For the WNBA niche, I could look up the official WNBA YouTube videos and download them using any free YouTube video downloader. You can also use sites like Pexels and Google Images. Just make sure that it's all copyright free. Bring in all of your footage to CapCut, cut out the clips that you want to use, and delete the rest. Then, line up all of the footage clips with what's being said in the voiceover. To make it flow better, add transitions. Click the Effects button, find Zoom in the list, and drag it between two clips to add a smooth shift. When everything's in place, click Export. Set it to 1080 pixels and 30 frames per second, then save it. This takes effort, but it's free and you control it. Step 6. Design the thumbnail. For this, I recommend Canva because it's free and the simplest for beginners. Head over to Canva, sign up, and log in. Then, search for basketball YouTube thumbnails. Templates. Pick a template that's close to what you have in mind. Open it up. Now, change the image to one that's relevant to your video. For example, I might bring in an image of Angel Reese and Caitlin Clark and make a bit of a split screen. You don't have to add text, but if you do, make sure that it's only a few words and that it pops out. Canva has a ton of features and options that you can play around with, so I recommend taking your time here and getting familiar with everything. Once you're happy with your thumbnail, go ahead and download it. Step 7. Upload and optimize your video. Upload your video file to YouTube. While that's processing, optimize your SEO. This helps YouTube show it to the right people. You're using vidIQ again for this. Look at your competitor videos and use the keyword tool to see which words work best in your niche. Copy these words into a Google Doc. Now, make sure that you write a title and description for your YouTube video with these words in them. Keep it short and attention-grabbing so it pulls people in. Don't forget to add your keywords as hashtags too. Upload your thumbnail and then publish your video. Repeat the process I've shown you today and upload as many videos as you can in your niche, at least one per week. Over time, you'll grow your channel, and you can make money through YouTube ad revenue, affiliate marketing, or even brand deals. Will you be trying out faceless YouTube automation with AI? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe while you're there.